City. So yun guys, we're going to salon. It's first day in Qatar. Pamper day muna bago gumala. See you guys later! So yun guys, hindi ko na na-videohan yung process pero nagpa-micro shading ako for the kilay. Tapos next naman is yung sa hair. Nantay lang matapos and then bababa lang ako for the hair. So I will show you later the results. So yun, nasa facial naman tayo and currently na yung buhok. So yun, kakatas lang namin sa salon. Pauwi na kami kasi alis ulit kami. Kunin lang namin si Ate Lab and si Yasha.
Na sila sa pauwi. Kaya mo naman kami. Magiging driver na naman ako dito.
Hello guys! So, we're outside and we're already prepared and also Tata Dimple.
So we're going out. Saan tayo ulit pupunta?
Festival City.
What?
Festival.
Yeah, we're going out of the family. With the family, we're
And we're
complete.
going to Festival City!
Yes!
See you guys later!
So ayun, nasa metro na kami. Parang LRT.
See you guys in the Festival City!
So ayun, nasa metro na kami. Papunta saan? Saan tayo papunta ulit? Hindi ko pa rin alam sa kami papunta. Cutie! Ay!
Buildings right there.
Yeah.
Where are we going? Just Hello guys, we are here. We're going to the bus station. The bus station
Hello.
will lead us to Festival City.
Kick.
So ayun, nandito na kami ngayon sa May Gewan.
Hello guys, we're here in the Festival City.
It's not Festival City.
And we're already
Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog masyado kasi punuan sa bus eh, nakatayo lang kami. Kaya kami makikita sa video kanina. Ano lang kami?
Go and see you guys later.
Yeah!
Bye.
Yes, a baby! Where are we?
Hello guys, we're like nature like. We're here in the hotel.
Diwan Island.
We're here like
Giwan Island.
near in the hotel and
Why hotel only? We're in Gewan Island.
there's like a lake and there's like sand and there's like a beautiful tree. There.
Yeah, we're in Gewan. We're just waiting for mommy.
Yeah, we're waiting for mommy. And see you later.
So, ayun, maglalakad-lakad muna kami. Then, update ko kayo guys later kung saan kami mapupunta after.
Shawarma, 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 wah, 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 Lean. Wah, 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 wah.
Ano yan?
It looks like snow.
Here, there's a bear and a tree. Yes,
What?
here. There's a bear and a tree.
A tree. Where's the lion?
That's sea lion. Sea lion?
Sea lion.
Try sea lion. Sea lion? Ah, sea lion pala yan.
So, ayun. Naglilibot-libot muna kami dito. Actually, malamig na dito. As, kahapon, alam ko 18 degrees. Ewan ko lang ngayon kung ilang degrees ngayon. Pero sobrang lamig. Pero I remove my jacket kasi iniitan ako. Pate, gutom na si Mami. Uy, gutom na daw si Mami. Hindi na ako masaya. Jason na yan.
Kaya, pamilya ka na yun.
So, it's a quick recap. Nasa na kami ngayon, Laguna Mall, kung saan nag-work si Ate Love. Kasi ang aming mother dear ay nagugutom na. So, update ko kayo guys later. Ay, actually, may nagbigay pala ng free food kanina dun sa event. Ano siya? Chicken biryani. Pero hindi kasi ako talaga ng mga spices. Pero all good siya. So, yan, update ko kayo guys later. We're about to eat dinner! Dapat sumakay tayo.
Please hand me the button.
Can I have...
Extra cake. Ito,
Hey. Yeah, yummy. Oo, wait lang.
Let's say Miss Yuki na.
Yeah.
Where are you? Ano lang ha. Itsura niya parang kay restaurant. Anong sauce yan?
Mas gumanda. So, ayun guys, kakatas lang namin kumain. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-take ng video while we eat. Kasi, gutom na gutom kami kanina. Hindi naman sa gutom, but the food was very good. That's why, yun, attempt tayo. Anyways, I will show you naman yung mga kinain namin later. So, ngayon magkakape naman. My little baby! Ayun na, ayun yung tinatawag siya ng little baby. My little baby! See? Ayaw niya. So now we're drinking McCafe. This has coupon kaya libre lang. So yun guys, nasa ano na kami ngayon, Katara, for a late night walk. Sabi kasi meron daw hot air balloon. As we can see, wala kami makitang hot air balloon. But we will still check. So dito kayo guys later. So ayan, wala talagang hot air balloon kaya umupo na lang kami sa isang tabi. But the view here is not going to disappoint you. Pero dahil nga kasi pang ilang beses namin pabalik-balik dito sa Qatar, so hindi na siya ganun ka-exciting or sa yun. Maganda pa rin naman.